Welcome back, my dear student. Good morning. In this session, we will complete the grammar revision sheet. We started this revision sheet yesterday. In the first question, we revised on the verb, the simple predicate, and we figured out either the verbs are linking verbs or even action verbs. In the second one, we have to with the verb again. And this time we have to mention either the verb is a transitive verb or an intransitive verb. I mentioned before that a linking verb is an intransitive verb. An action verb, you have to stop a little bit and ask yourself, does this action verb have an object? If it has an object, it will be a transitive verb. If it doesn't have an object, it will be an intransitive verb, and it will be followed in most cases by either an adverb or a prepositional phrase. Moving right now to a new part. And question number 3, you will have some sentences. You have to figure out the adverb, and you have to write for me the word or the words it modifies or the word it describes. Hamza Bassam. Good morning, Hamza.
Good morning, Mr.
Before we move to question number 3 and we start to answer, we have to remember, by the way, what do we mean by an adverb? What do I mean by an adverb, Hamza?
An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb.
Good. So here we have an adverb. It's a word that describes a verb or an adjective, or it can even modify another adjective. We have here, Hamza, 3 sounds. Read for me the first 2.
Timothy often goes to the library. The adverb often modifies the verb goes.
Good. I have here adverb, which is often. Often here, by the way, is an adverb of a frequency. And I mentioned before, once you have an adverb of a frequency that tells you how many times you do an action, this adverb, it modifies a verb. Good. Number 2.
He began reading when he was very young. The adverb very modifies the adjective young. To what extent was young?
Good. Very clear. It's an adverb and it modifies an adjective this time, which is young. Thank you, Hamza. Yassine, Fabal. Yassine. Good morning.
Yes. Mister, your voice is low.
Read for me the third one. I'm shouting, by the way. I'm not talking, I'm shouting. Read number 3, please.
He can finish a book very quickly. The adverb very modifies the adverb quickly. The adverb quickly modifies the verb phrase can finish.
Good. I have here in this sentence 2 adverbs. The first one is very and the second one is quickly. I hope that you can hear me well now. Okay?
Okay.
Is it good?
Yes.
Good. Keep reading. Yeah, keep reading for us, please.
Adverb answer the following questions: where, when, how often, how long, to what extent, how much.
Wait a minute for me, please. Here, Yassine. For that, my dear boys, we have shared this sheet before. Okay?
Yes.
This sheet I sent it many times, and you heard it from last year. You have here some adverbs that tells you how, when, where, how often, or frequency, the same idea, how much or intensity. You have to memorize these adverbs so well. Okay? Now back to you, Yassine. Read for me the last line here.
Adverbs may come before, after, or between the words that they modify.
Thank you so much, Yassine. I'll be back to you. Now I move to Saif Musa for the first sentence. Saif, read for me the first one. Good morning.
I read the question.
No. Number 1 on.
Robin was speaking rudely.
What is the
Rudely is the adverb, and it modifies verb speaking.
Yeah, rudely here is the adverb, and it modifies the verb phrase was speak, by the way. Okay, thank you so much here. See, and it modifies verb. Rashid, then Anas Abdul Jawad. Rashid, number 2.
He is an extremely talented singer. Talented singer.
What is the adverb here?
Adverb singer. Extremely
Extremely. Extremely what?
talented.
Talented. See here, easy and clear. I mentioned before that most adverbs ends in ly. Thank you, Rashid. So, extremely here, it's an adverb and it modifies talented. It's an adjective. Thank you so much here, Rashid. Anas Abdul Jawad, then Rama. I don't know who's Rama, okay? Anas Abdul Jawad, number 3.
Are there too many people on Earth?
So, what is the adverb here?
The adverb is to,
Yeah.
and it modifies many.
Exactly. So here I have two, which is an adverb, and it modifies many, the adjective. Thank you. Okay, Rama, then, I don't know who's Rama. Please try to rename yourself. I think it's
Ahmed.
Ahmed, yes. Okay, Ahmed, then Wise. Ahmed, number 4.
The book is more magical than its movie adaptation. The adverb is more
More what?
describes magical.
Exactly. So here I have an adverb, which is more, and it modifies magical. Thank you. Wise. Then acid. I don't know who is it acid. Wise.
She arrived unexpectedly earlier than I previously wanted.
Yeah.
Unexpectedly modifies arrive.
She arrived earlier by the way. Pay attention. Okay. Unexpectedly, it modifies earlier. You get the point? Thank you. So here we have unexpectedly earlier. Thank you so much here, Wise. So here in this question number 3, we revised on the adverb. In number 4, I'm going to move to the preposition and the prepositional phrase and even the object of a preposition. Okay, Hassan. Back to you, Hassan, here for the preposition and prepositional phrase. We have to remember first, what do we mean by a preposition? Hassan, read for us, please.
The preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and another word in a sentence.
Good. So here, a preposition, simply it's a word that shows the relationship between what a noun, what a pronoun, and some other words in the sentence. Keep reading, Hassan.
Examples. They traveled on foot. The preposition on shows the relationship to foot, of foot to traveled.
Good. Keep reading.
Prepositions that are made up of more than one word are called compound prepositions. Example, according to some historians, the explorers Lewis and Clark traveled more than 8,000 miles.
Thank you so much here, Hassan. So here we have something which is called a compound preposition. It has more than one preposition, like according to, in front of, due, because of. Thank you so much here, Hassan. I move to Munaf, then I have, I think, Rami, then I have Reem, I think it's Kareem, right? Munaf, good morning.
Good morning, Mister.
Morning, Reem. Read for us the first one.
Jackie handed the paper airplane to Jake.
Good. What is the preposition here?
To
To whom?
Jake.
Exactly. So here I have an answer, I have an object. The object, by the way, is going to be either a noun or a pronoun. Thank you. Now, this is, I think, Rami, good morning.
No, Mr. It's me, Malik.
Malik, yes. Okay, number 2, Malik. Morning, dear.
Mommy. Are those biscuits on the table for the dogs?
Yeah. What is the preposition here? You have 2, by the way. First one,
For and the
for. For what?
dogs.
Exactly. And you have another one, by the way. So this is going to be
On
on what?
table.
Table. Yeah, wake up, man. So here we have 2 prepositions and we have 2 objects, right? Thank you.
Yes. Mister, I have a question.
Send it to me on my class. We don't have time. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Now I'll move to Omar Ahmed. And I don't know who is this.
Yes, mister.
Omar, number 3, please.
Number 3.
Hmm.
The girl with the blonde hair goes to my school. The preposition is with,
Good. With what?
and the object of the preposition is blonde hair.
Yeah, one is going to be an adjective. We're going to consider here only, okay? You have another one, by the way.
To
what?
to my school.
Good. Perfect. Thank you so much here, Omar. So here I have 2 prepositions in fact. Good. Now I move to another one. This time it will be, I'm trying to move in turns. And here, this is Karim or whom? It's written for Irene. I don't know.
Yes, Mr. I'm Karim.
Karim, yes. Number 4, please.
4. The cook in the kitchen makes the best meals.
Good. So what is the preposition here?
In
Good. In
in
what?
the kitchen.
Wonderful. So kitchen here will be the object for this preposition. That's perfect. Thank you. Rami, this time. I'm sure this is wrong. Number 5. Rami? I can't hear
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yes, I can hear
Yes,
you now. Read number 5 in a clear voice.
Okay. The ant under the log is the one I saw earlier.
So, what is the preposition here?
One. Under
Yeah.
no,
What?
under the log.
Exactly. So here I have log is the object for this preposition. By the way, thank you so much here, Rami. I mentioned that before, from the preposition to the object, you have something which is called a prepositional phrase, right? Yeah. I'll move right now to another one to remind us what do we mean by a prepositional phrase, and this time I'm going to move to Amr. Morning, dear.
Yes, Mister.
Amr, here I need you to remind us what do we mean by a prepositional phrase.
The prepositional phrase. A prepositional or a preposition always has at least one noun or pronoun as an object. Object of the pronoun, a preposition. The preposition, its object, and any modifiers of the object make up. A prepositional phrase is a proposition that a proposition may have more than one object.
Good, good. Here, according to question number 5, I told you before, my dear boys, once you have a preposition, ask yourself what? You will find an answer. The answer will be the object, and from that preposition to the object, you will have a prepositional phrase. Amru, read the first one and answer it for us, please.
Birds chirp noisily among the branches. The
Good.
prepositional phrase is among the branches,
Good. And
the object of the preposition is branches.
that's really wonderful. Thank you so much here, Amru. So here, among what? Branches. Preposition among, branches the object, and branches will be the object for this prepositional phrase. Paris Najmi, then then Ibrahim. Paris Najmi number 2.
The missing puzzle piece was hidden beneath the sofa. The prepositional phrase starts from beneath to the sofa.
Good. And the object will be?
The object is the sofa.
Thank you so much here, Faris Nadine. That's really wonderful. By the way, yesterday's session for grammar was perfect and I uploaded to my channel. I hope that you watched it yesterday. On you have right now number 3, then Ibrahim. On
Yes, mister.
number 3, please.
The rain finally stopped leaving puddles on the sidewalk.
So here, what is the prepositional phrase, Yamin?
On the sidewalk.
Good. And what is the object? Will be the last word in the preposition. Will be?
Sidewalk.
Exactly. Thank you so much here. This time, Ibrahim, please try to mute yourselves once you're finished with me. Thank you. Ibrahim, then Muhammad Nashwal.
Yes, mister.
Number 4, man.
The ball hit the ground just inches in front of the outfielder's glove.
Good. So, what is the preposition? Will be?
In front of the outfielder's glove.
Pay attention here, Ibrahim. We have a compound preposition, my dear boys. We have in front of. It's a compound preposition. It has more than one word. And in front of what? Glove here. Thank you so much here, Ibrahim. So this is
Glove.
for the preposition. So here, according to the 4th and 5th question, both of them have the same idea. In both of them, you have to get the preposition. And once you have a preposition, you must have an object. From the preposition to the object, you have a prepositional phrase. And don't forget that the object, it has to be either a noun or a pronoun. Okay, good. Now I move to another question for question number 6 here. I need Muhammad Nashwan to read for us here what we're going to make in this question. Where are you, Nashwan? You are here right now in front of me. You have disappeared. Muhammad Nashwan. Yes, I got you now. Muhammad.
Yes, mister.
Come on, man. Read to us, please.
Number 6. Identify the underlined words in the following sentences as either adverbs, adv, or prepositions, prep.
Wait for me a little bit, Muhammad, please. Here in this exercise, I'm going to underline a word for you, and I'm going to ask you simply to figure out either this word is an adverb or a preposition. First of all, a preposition must have an object. And once the preposition has an object, the object has to be a noun or a pronoun only. Clear? Has to be a noun or a pronoun. Muhammad Nashwan, read for us the
Yes.
word.
Her quite childish behavior annoys us.
Yeah, quite here is a preposition or an adverb that describes
A preposition describes what or how, what or where. This is childish is part of how, so it's an adverb, not a preposition.
adverb. That's perfect. And quite here, it modifies a childish, right? Which is going to be
Yes.
a it's a noun or even a pronoun. A perfect answer. Thank you so much, yeah, Muhammad. Moving to another one. Use it ahead. Number 2.
Yes, miss. Number 2. I put the pizza on the table.
Good. On what?
On a preposition.
I know, but here I'm asking you a question. I put the pizza on what?
On the table.
Table here. What part of speech is it? Is it a noun or a pronoun?
A table.
Yeah. It's a noun, right?
Noun, yes.
Yeah, so here, once I have an answer, and the answer is a noun or either a pronoun, in this case, I have a preposition. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Abdurrahman. I move to you right now. Abdurrahman.
Hi, Mr.
Hello, Abdurrahman. Good morning, dear. Number 3.
He revealed the secret too early. True is an
I'm going to say too what?
adverb.
Let me say too early. Mr. I have an answer. It's early. Okay, but early here, what part of the speech is it? It's an adverb, right? So here I have
Yes.
adverb that modifies another adverb. In this case, I have an adverb. Perfect. Thank you so much. Yeah. I'll try to choose another one who hasn't shared. There's someone here called Lenovo. I don't know who is that. Good morning. Who are you?
Kalam.
Come. Good morning, dear. At last. Read number 4.
Wait, number 4. I most certainly support the idea that they got married so fast.
Good. Certainly here. Is it
Third,
an adverb?
what?
Is it an adverb or a preposition?
What certainly?
Hmm.
Adverb.
Good. It modifies the verb support, right?
Yes.
Good. So here, by the way, you have certainly, which is going to be an adverb, and it modifies a verb. Thank you so much here, Carol.
Mr. Just how is one adverb?
What?
How is number 1 an adverb?
Quite here, it modifies childish, which is going to be an adjective. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, man. Moving to another one. This time, it will be, I think all of you shared the right name, right? I think that. Okay, Hamza.
Yes, Mr.
The last one, please.
Did you see the teacher with the purple dress? With
Yeah.
a preposition because it has an object, dress.
Good. So here we have with, it's a preposition because here simply it modifies a word which is going to be dress and it's a noun. Thank you so much here, Hamza. So here, wait for me to write the answer. Where is it? Yeah. Here it's a preposition. This is a wonderful session as usual from all of you, my dear boys. Thank you so much here. Yesterday's session for grammar was uploaded and I hope that you watched it. This one also will be uploaded after I finish my school day today. We still have 2 sessions. One of them will be literature and the last one will be social. Thank you. Have a good day. See you in the upcoming session. Bye.